What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to DC Unplugged, and today we're unboxing the brand new Predator. Now this is a scooter that I've seen and I've posted on my Facebook page, a couple of snapshots. I've been actually really keen to actually have a look at this one. This is something that's been brought out from Dragon Scooters. They've been working on it for the past 12 months and it's a complete ground up build from Dragon. So I'm really looking forward to actually having a look at this scooter in full depth and the colors and everything like that. So I've been told that in person the scooter just looks insane. So I'm really keen to do an unboxing with these guys. So roll that intro, let's get into this unboxing. Let's do it. Alright, got out a good old trusty knife here. I am probably going to take this box down once I open it, but just got up there just for leverage so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, wasting no more time, let's go. Oh man, I'll have to do it, guys. Come on, let's go have a look. Alright, you and I are both about to see this for the first time, so let's have a look inside the box. Ooh. Alright, let's go. Hey, nice. Nice colors. That screen looks cool. The grey. Oh, this reminds me so much of my Lightning. Oh, I miss my Lightning. Oh, alright, let's get you back up on that stand over there. And let's have a really good look at that. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, this looks so good. Alright, let's get this down. Alright. Oh, it's got the clamp of the Lightning as well. Let's go. Oh, I'm so keen. Oh, that deck is huge. All right, enough. Let's see what's going to come out first. Right, this one here, cool. Oh, NFC card reader, that's cool. I'll get that out for you guys. I won't bring yous in. How sick is that? So this is the NFC card readers for the Predator. How cool is that? It's a little Predator thing at the top. Very cool. All right, we'll put them aside. All right, cool. So there's the handlebars. Get that out of the way. Oh, damn. Oi. All right, let's figure out which way this wants to rock. Okay, got a little cap. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's just drop those down. Well, of course nothing goes to plan. We need some Allen keys. Did they give us some in the box? Let's have a look. Hopefully they did. Yes, sweet. Like all Dragons, they give you a nice little toolkit along that to work on it as well. So you can put it together, which is pretty cool. I'm glad they did because I'm too excited. I just wanted to get right into it. Alright, cool. Top cap off. That thing on. Let's put this back on. They actually give you a little cap to put on the little Allen key tab, so it's all black. This is very premium. This is looking really good, guys. Wow, look at all those dials. Alright, enough looking. I'll get into it. Oh, I'm pulling it out. Alright, guys, that is it. Pretty much assembled. It's pretty easy to do. You pretty much just slap it on the bars. I guess final adjustment would be just putting your brake cables and everything where you want it. Oh, that's a nice feeling thumb throttle. Nice. All right, cool. Wow, look at the carbon fiber bits and everything. Man, this thing's a monster. This thing's nice. Just got to tighten down the last things, which is just on the side here. Man, I'm guessing these ones are great today. I'll tell you what, guys, straight off the bat, this thing is super premium. Like, super premium. That is just... Alright, get some of this Firestone off. And you got the charge ports. Yeah, alright. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Come on. It's not an unboxing without having a bit of a geeze, right? I'll get some slow motion shots later on too. But this is what we're looking at here, guys. Look at these buttons. Display, this lever that's kind of curved. This deck. That pin there is straight into there. How cool is that? The colors though, very cool. Predator logo there. 2 charge ports hidden away in a really good location. I like that a lot. Alright, let's see if this is true. Alright, first startup, guys, let's go. Alright, so I've got the key. Let's see if she starts. Nope. Alright, let's try power. Whoa! Alright, so we got a beautiful bloody cut-off beam on the LEDs. Eee! Oh, this is nice. I love the cut-off beam. I'm not too sure if that's going to come up on the camera too well. It's got a perfect cut-off beam. Oh, I'm stoked at that. That's cool. Alright, let's try this again. Let's have a look at the startup screen. That's definitely it. Hey. Oh, that's cool. Hey, I like that. That's sick. Oh, that is cool. We've got indicators too. Yo. Hey. This thing's sick. I'm loving this. This is like a really, really good mixture of my lightning and oh man, this is sick. I'm loving this. The dragon illumination, got illuminations on the side. Really good brake light. Nice and high, sits above the mudguard, which is really good for visibility. Man, this thing's nice. This illumination though, that is just cool, man. It is so sick. Just look at it. That is so cool. So cool. I'm so stoked that that has a nice cut-off beam. Oh, that is just... Does it go with the guard though? Yes, it does. Let's go. Yes. Oh, Dragon, you have done an awesome job on this. That screen and that startup is oh, so good. And the horn? Let's see the horn. Oh, that's... Yeah, okay. People are definitely going to know you're coming. Wow. Man, I'm excited to do a review on this. That must be a jewel. All right, that's your lights. Okay. That's cool. So when you turn the headlights off, you still get your cool daytime running lights. That's sick. I like that. That's so cool. Oh, this thing's sick. All right, well, let's get this thing off the table. Let's run some cool slow motion shots out the side so these guys can have a good look at it. Let's go.